Let me tell you how some random person caught the ROC's most wanted contractor in Phoenix last night. This dude comes up, smashes some lady beside me, her car flies into me, we get stuck on the side of the road. This white pickup goes flying up on the berm, does a cookie in the gravel, and then pulls back onto the interstate and takes off down the road. Some random person saw this guy hit us and took off after him, and I think they found him near Mesa and they pulled him over and gave him a DUI. He was DUI. When we got the information, I came home and we punched in his name on the internet to see if anything would pop up on his insurance or anything, and it just so happens to match the ROC's most wanted contractor, first, middle, and last name and birth year. So this guy's had like news stories about him on TV, and he got busted last night for DUI. So thank God. This guy's ripped off like $400,000 plus from people. He's a previous felon, and I think he's going back to jail. But here's the footage I took last night.
The car swung over and hit my car.
They said that a white pickup was trying to run her off the road or something and ran into me from behind, and then I spun out. That's what she said.
He ran up that thing and then...
Did he leave?
Yeah, he ran up this thing and then he went out. He was coming to me too. Even before he hit her, I think he was drunk.
I suppose nobody got any information off that pickup.
We didn't happen to see what kind of vehicle hit her, eh?
It was a white Chevy. It was a picked up
It's
Chevy.
a white pickup truck, right?
A white
Yeah.
pickup Chevy. But, yeah, I saw him drive up here on the side, and I was like, I thought maybe he got hit.
Yeah,
Then he took
that's
off.
what we thought too.
I did call the authorities. I guess they were going to send somebody out.
Okay. Well, I just wanted to make sure. Yeah, no, I saw her spun out in the middle of the road. I'm like, Jesus Christ, just a young girl in the car by herself. Just wanted to make sure she got out of there.
Yeah, no, I about hit her because her lights were.
I'm sorry, can you guys talk to the... I have no idea where I am. I'm not concussed, I just don't know directions.
I told the highway patrol they're on their way.
Oh, okay, there's someone on their way right now.
It's a quarter mile from exit 148.
A quarter mile from exit 148. A Honda Accord. I got hit in the face, but I'm okay. I think I wheel when the car is shocked.
So I guess it was a big white Chevy pickup that rear-ended her, but she didn't have her flights on, so I don't blame them for hitting her. But then somebody said he was drunk too, So she was driving in the middle lane over there, and somebody hit her rear end, and then it swung over and hit me in the other lane and pushed me sideways. Hit right here. I think it hit the rim too, yeah. Cut my rim.
Alright, so you already got talked to by that?
Yeah, I'm up in the Jetta. Yeah.
Okay, cool. You need to tell them anything or?
I don't know, I mean,
Did you get a statement already?
yeah.
Your vehicle is drivable. I think she said this vehicle is drivable. I have some information in my car. So good. She's writing a statement for me. They didn't witness it. And then fire's on the way for her. Did you need to get checked out by fire? Okay. Good phone number?
Pretty sure it hit me from the side. I mean, she was right along next to me. I don't see any damage on the side though, now that I'm looking. Unless it spun around and hit me on the other left side. But I've got marks on my wheel too. Somebody cut my rim. So something hit me really low. Maybe it was on the top, I don't know. Isn't this from hitting my car? I mean, if she got hit on that side and this side swung over and hit me, that makes sense, right?
Yeah, it does.
Boom, hit me. But I don't know what fault is she for not having lights that work. She's driving around. I don't think anybody chased that pickup that hit the car that hit me. I think it just took off down the road. We saw a cop or a patrolman chase after it about, I don't know, 5 minutes after it happened. So hopefully they caught him. The policeman that's on site now said that somebody else from the site was chasing him down the road and the police might have caught up to him. So fingers crossed something gets caught. But it sounds like a drunk driver hit the car, but obviously the taillights weren't working. So I saw her with no working taillights and I stayed away from her because I was worried about it. So now she's complaining because somebody hit her, and you know, it could have been a drunk driver that might have saw her if her taillights were on. So I got to give a shout out to the state patrol. They found this mother, I don't know where, but they just asked me if I wanted to be a victim, and I said yes. So hopefully we can catch this bastard and have him pay for the damages. This poor girl is all shook up. I'm not very happy either, but State Patrol is doing a good job tonight. So everybody but me and the cop are left here. I'm just waiting for paperwork. The lady that didn't have lights on her back of her car, she took off about 10 minutes ago. I think they caught the drunk driver though, which, God, I hope they did. Nothing like watching cars getting loaded up right next to a piece of human shit.
Time for some answers. I went to the Peoria home that Steve Venegas rents, and after seeing his truck and trailer in the driveway,